Long ago, in the ancient kingdom of Eldoria, there existed a legendary artifact, the Enchanted Mirror. It was said to grant those who looked into it a vision of their heart's deepest desire, but it came with a warning. Whoever gazed too long would be forever drawn into its depths, never to return. Rhea, a spirited adventurer and scholar, had heard the legends of the mirror ever since she was a child. Growing up in Eldoria, she was surrounded by tales of enchantment, mysteries, and magic. But none fascinated her as much as the story of the Enchanted Mirror. Now, as an adult, she had devoted her life to studying ancient artifacts, hoping one day to find the mirror and discover its secrets. One crisp autumn morning, Rhea received a mysterious letter. The letter was unsigned and simply read, "The Mirror of Eldoria lies hidden in the forgotten woods. Only those who seek with a pure heart may find it." The letter contained a small map, marked with symbols she had seen only in the oldest manuscripts of her studies. Determined to follow the trail, Rhea set out on a journey to the forgotten woods. The woods were a place of shadows and whispers, where even the sunlight seemed to be filtered through a veil of enchantment. As she ventured deeper, the familiar world faded away, replaced by an eerie silence and a faint glow that seemed to guide her path. After hours of navigating twisted paths and ancient trees, Rhea found herself standing before an old, moss-covered tower hidden deep within the woods. She knew immediately that this was the place. Her heart raced as she pushed open the heavy wooden door and stepped into the darkened hall. Inside, the air was thick with the scent of old stone and magic. A spiral staircase wound upward, leading her to a dimly lit chamber at the top of the tower. In the center of the room stood the mirror, tall and imposing, framed in silver vines and leaves. The glass was polished to perfection, yet it reflected nothing but shadows. As she approached, Rhea felt a strange pull, as if the mirror was alive, watching her. She took a deep breath, steeling herself, and looked into its depths. At first, she saw only her own reflection, but then the image began to shift, revealing glimpses of her childhood dreams, her past adventures, and finally, her greatest desire, knowledge beyond mortal understanding. But the longer she looked, the more the mirror seemed to change. It began to show her visions of worlds beyond her imagination, realms filled with creatures and beings of pure light and darkness. She felt herself drawn in, unable to look away, as if the mirror was calling her to step inside. Suddenly, she remembered the warning, the danger of gazing too long. With all her strength, she tore her eyes away from the mirror, stumbling back, gasping for breath. She felt as though she had been on the brink of being lost forever. But something was different. The room around her had grown darker, the walls closing in, and the air felt heavy. She realized with dread that the mirror had somehow changed her, bound her to it in a way she couldn't understand. As she tried to leave, she found the door to the chamber locked, the handle cold and unyielding. She was trapped. Desperation filled her as she searched for another way out, but there was none. The mirror's hold on her was too strong. Days turned into weeks, and Rhea remained bound to the chamber. She became a ghost of herself, forever drawn to the mirror, staring into its depths, her mind slowly unraveling as she saw endless visions of knowledge she could never grasp. One day, a young traveler found the tower and, ignoring the warnings of villagers, climbed to the chamber. There, he saw Rhea, her face pale and eyes hollow, staring into the mirror. She looked at him and whispered, "Beware the mirror. It shows you what you desire most, but takes everything in return." The traveler, frightened, ran from the tower, and as he told his tale, Rhea's legend spread, a cautionary tale for those who sought too much.